Hi, this is Nicole with the Nellis Group, and we are so excited to show you our new condo in Falls Church, 3334 Spring Lane. 2 bedrooms, 1 bath, over 1,000 square feet, your own storage unit, and 2 parking places. Join us on a tour today.
Step into your beautifully remodeled kitchen, complete with brand new countertops and backsplash, quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances throughout, and this beautiful vinyl plank flooring leading into your breakfast nook where you can enjoy a wonderful meal. And the kitchen also flows seamlessly into your living room.
The new owner will love the spacious primary suite with vinyl plank flooring, a beautiful window for the sun to stream through, and a nice size closet. We hope you enjoyed a few of our favorite features of this home at 3334 Spring Lane in Falls Church, Virginia. Please reach out to the Nellis Group for your own private tour.